working this week. So Monday was the 22nd. So I go like this. I go Monday, and it was, you could put 4/22/2024 like that. And I like to make it formatted as I like it to be formatted for the date, but in another way. Date and time, custom date and time. Here we go. I want it to be the actual name. See, I like it to look like this, or like, because different parts of I like this one the best. I always use this one. Use the one you think. But I always like this format for the date, because there are parts of the world who put the month first and then the day, and others put the day first and then the month. So it can get confusing. So like April, it wouldn't, because there's a April 22nd. But if it was like April 5th, some people put 4/5/2024, and some parts of the world go 5/4/2024. So now this doesn't matter for your work schedule, but generally I just get into the habit of always using this format, because that way I don't have to remember, oh, this is an international one. It's clear that it's April, that's the day, and it was the year. I put 4 numbers in the year, so it's clear that it's not, it's 2024. It's not April 24th of 2022. You know what I mean? Because it can get so. All right, so that's that. So then it will work sometimes. I think I have to put 2 dates in for this to work. I think if I only have one, let's see what happens. Let's just drag. Oh, it's working. Okay. Sometimes when you drag it like that, it copies. If it's just one date, it doesn't know that you want the rest of the dates. So here you just drag it. So if it's a 2-week, let's say it's 2 weeks, so you go like that. You get, what's 2 weeks? So how many? It should be 14 total. So 1, 2. That's first week, and that's the second week. All right, and then let's say you don't do Friday. You don't work weekends. So are you still there? I'm going to check the chat in a minute. The person who asked about this. But I'm glad you asked, even if you're not there. That's a good one. Good question. And then I'll get to this in a minute. You go time in. Your time in the morning. Time out. No. Time in. Lunch. Usually they make you take lunch. Lunch out. Make that capital. Lunch in, meaning when you got back from lunch. And then time out for the rest of the day. Okay. So then let's do this, and you start putting in the colors, and you can automatically format. Oh, I hate when that happens, because you don't see the top row. So you can freeze the top row if you want to. All right, what was I about to do? Oh, it's the F. Okay. Oops, I went too far. Right there. Okay, so we do that. And then let me check the chat. Sorry. Oh, you're still there. Good. Monday through Sunday. Okay, I'll do Monday through Sunday for 2 weeks. So we have Monday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, let's do another Sunday then. Oops, let me just. Oh, here we go. So I'll highlight these 2. Then you'll have the link to this. I'll send the link to this lesson plan. You can go to the sheet. Oops. So you highlight that. It's got to be an X. And you go there. Saturday, Sunday. And then I don't work Saturday and Sunday, but I go like this. I go like that. So then, that. Okay. So then you kind of got it there. So then you want to make it nice. So you go up here and you merge center this one like that, and say, then you put your name, Janet Smith. So At this point. You can make it prettier, different color. Oh, so for the weekends, I like to do this. I like to go just like this. I make it a different, I make it fill it with kind of a gray or a blue. This is a, why is that blue? Oh, it's dark gray. Sometimes I make it a little lighter because I like to do this. Here, where is it? Is it here? Oh, here it'll be. Here it is. Okay. So I do that. And now here, and I even sometimes I like to make it smaller. It's, again, it's my personal preference. I like to make things clearly not the thing. So I might make this like that and make it red. Make the, oh, that's orange, but okay. So sometimes I'll do that. Or especially if it's a holiday, but it wasn't on the weekend. Then let's say you, or a holiday, or you didn't go in that day for whatever reason because, oh, well, I don't put it in grade in that case, though. I make it no fill. Hey, where's the no fill? Reset. So see, it's like that. And then, also I can drag. So let's pretend you didn't go to work that day, not applicable, or out sick. Or, so here we go. So same here. We can just drag those over. I'm holding down. To do that, you hold down on that blue dot. In Excel, it's a square. Okay, and then, we can copy and paste this to the next weekend. Saturday here, Oh, hours. I forgot the hours. Uh-oh. I got to rechange the merge as well. And then here, hours. You need that. Hours worked. Worked. So you need this column. So, there you could, anyway, I'm not going to keep on. You can fix it as pretty as you like it. Maybe you want to make that right. Maybe you think it looks better that way. I think I do have it that way at work too. This is right justified. Format, alignment, right justified. I think that's how I have it at work. Okay, so time in. All right. So I'll just do one or two lines. So 9 a.m. a.m. And actually, sometimes you 12:30 use my PM. Oh, yeah. What is that? Why is that like that? Music copy format. There we go. So 12:30. Okay, so oh, this is the same thing. I go like this. Page one. Over the PM. So here down is 1300. 1300. And then it's right. And time out. I add, let's say I left it at 5:30. Like, how go? 5:30. So 30 p.m. I actually put 17:30, 17:30, or just leave it. And then I'll work second from 9 to 12:30 is 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, that's 3.5, 3, 4, 5. And let's count. And then from 1 to 5 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, how? 4.5. So then you add these two together. Here's this again. I don't remember. Is that it? Alright, so it's like this. Sum is these two. So it's 8 hours and 8 hours. 8 hours. Oh, here's center. So then we add center. And then here you do this. So, so let's say the sum of sum of all these. Even in they skip. So it all goes. That's the answer. And it's more we work than the other. We set up here. So you're putting 8, 7, 3, see number changing. So we got this. Oh, I go over. Our you change that. Okay. Also, really just we we take the which power. I will well this. It's all just pretty. I will add the thing here and this one here. Alright, so go to really this equal because having the code which are equals and then take that one, multiply the star. So like that and enter. Plus work, I'll take these on them all. Wait, make them all this way. So now you'll have 2.5 hours and just hour. It saves automatically in Google. So here's the link. And I still have to put anyone with the link. Copy the link. You'll have viewer. You will have viewer. You cannot change the chart, but you can download this and you can then change it in your own Google Sheets.